Hello everyone, my name is Danai and I'm just gonna be doing a short preview of some of the little projects that I was doing in the afternoon. So I got this inspiration from a friend, from a comment that I saw on Twitter. Someone was uh, describing a website that is sort of like GoFundMe, but it's a local solution to helping people who want to raise funds for various situations. So this website is called Fundmass. But when I went on the website, it's not that bad. It's not really bad, but I thought they could do better, especially in terms of the funding goals and how they represent the information. So I then decided, why can't I create a similar website? But I don't have any experience with coding or with web development, so I primarily use AI tools. So what I did was I went on the GoFundMe website because I thought it was a good example of what a nice website should look like, and then with the progress bars and everything. Then I went on Cloud, and then I gave it a prompt. Let me just look for the prompt. Yes, so I gave it a prompt to analyze screenshots from the GoFundMe website, and then after that, I asked it to create a prompt that I'm gonna type into bolt.new, the website that I was using, and then it made a prompt with all the features that are associated with the GoFundMe page, and then I also asked it in the prompt to add its own improvements to the GoFundMe website examination that it had done. So I then went on bolt.new, and that's where it started. Essentially, it designed the entire app for me. Especially as you can see from the preview. Let's just look at the preview shortly. It essentially designed the entire app for me. I didn't really do anything. I just kept on prompting it. I just kept on giving it instructions. Do this, do that, and I especially liked the progress bars. Unfortunately, it's a bit slow to to load, but I liked the progress bars. I thought they looked nice. The color was great. Then the browse by categories and why you should choose FundMass as a solution to local fundraising in Zimbabwe. And then after that, I loaded the application in Windsurf so that I can also edit it further. And then this is what I came up with. It's essentially the same thing, but I also tried to add the start your campaign button and to make it clickable. I'm not gonna click because I know there's an error. I'm still trying to figure that out. Uh, but I'm just trying to illustrate essentially how artificial intelligence can actually be used by regular people like myself. I've just come off Twitter and I just read a comment of someone saying that just because you're using AI, it doesn't make you a software developer. I don't claim to be a software developer, to be honest. I'm far from that. I'm so inexperienced. I'm not technical in that aspect. I'm actually a medical student and I just have an interest in technology. So that's why I like experimenting with all these artificial intelligence applications. But apart from that, I think that it's a good tool. I think that people can use it. Regular people like myself, I'm inspired by the likes of Kudam Sasiwa and some of the other people that I interact with on the timeline because of the suggestions that they give. I personally am not a technical person, so I cannot then go and have a technical conversation with people like him. But I can at least say that I used these solutions. I used bolt.new and Windsurf. They actually suggested it, and someone I think it's called Schneider Shane or something like that. And I've been using them. I've actually created a couple of different things that I wouldn't have been able to conceive had I not had these tools. So I think that this is like a wake up call to a lot of people that they now have a tool that they can use to do so much more.